In this episode we will install our solar panels on our Frontrunner Roof Rack. The 300 watt panels are being connected to our off-grid electrical system. Please enjoy!
We are Sander and Jan and love rock climbing, mountain biking and bushcrafting. Our plan is to build an ultimate adventure van for our future travels. If you're new to the channel, why not subscribe and join us on this new chapter. Greetings from the Too Small.
Solar panels, 100 watt each. So 3 of them, 300 watts solar panels. Bought some angular aluminium angle bar to connect the solar panels onto our roof of the van. The plan is to put it underneath here on the front and connect with little screws over the length so that it is secured to the van roof. I will make also there some connections to make it complete. I will guide you through the process. So these holes will come in the roof rack, and this one I have to drill inside the solar panel to connect them. Here I'm going to drill the holes to connect the angular bar to the solar panels, and I have these screws, self-tapping stainless steel black, which will come in here to attach it to the angular frame. I drill the bolts. I put my solar panels on, so let's see how I can orientate those solar panels. Let's see. I hope you can see it. So one in the front and one to the back. I will connect them with these aluminium angular bars somewhere here, and of course I will put it on here as well as on the back side. I think I will put also one here just for another attachment, also on the other side. Hopefully that will do the solar panel fixation onto the roof rack. Put the first solar panel on top of the fan. Like a glove. Okay, now I have to connect the cables to the other side, to the other panel. So hope that will work. It'll be nice, smooth, perfect. I fixed these on the edge for the long one. I will make a connection over there as well, and on this side as well. And on the front I will push them down with a strip of aluminium with 3 bolts. I use some, what's called Loctite, but then another brand to connect the screws to the nuts. So this one is tight. I only have to clean it. Hello. Last part. Okay. Connecting the minus with the plus because they are in series. This is my solar cable connector or through the roof. I connected it with tie wraps on the side of the roof rack, and of course I have now to connect it to the solar panels itself. You can see over there, there's the red one, the plus, and on this side I have the minus. So I have to connect with this wire over here. So I have to crimp some MC4 connectors. For the first time crimping M4 connector. I'm not sure if I'm doing it correct. I've learned that you first have to squeeze a little bit. This, and now with the crimping tool, 6mm. It's connected. Yes, I've already this one on. Now the other part. This. I think it's okay. Like this. Okie doke. It's in. Here I look with a mirror to see the wire connections to the frame. We are checking our solar panels if they function correct. We have a slight sun outside, not too strong, but at least good for checking if it works. First we put on the switch. The cables come from the roof rack, from the solar panels, each 100 watts, so 300 watts in total, and we can switch it on now. It says off and now it says on. Okay, let's check. You can see on the Servo GX touchscreen that we have solar over here. Can I see that? Yes. It comes in now with 55 volts, 27 watts or 28. It's not too much, but at least there is some activity which is loading our battery at this moment. So that's a good sign. It works. Let's check if we have 230 or short power by putting this plug, and I have lights over here just to check. Yes, we have lights. We are creating our own energy. This is real off-grid.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to join us, please subscribe to our channel and push the notification bell so you won't miss a video.